Welcome to our channel, where today we unravel how to handle the IRS Notice CP2000 with confidence and clarity. Welcome to our channel, where today we unravel how to handle the IRS Notice CP2000 with confidence and clarity. Receiving an IRS CP2000 notice can be intimidating, but following a clear, step-by-step approach can make the process much easier. The CP2000 notice is sent by the IRS when there is a discrepancy between the income reported on your tax return and the information the IRS has from other sources, such as employers or banks. Here is how to effectively respond and resolve this notice. First, read the notice carefully to understand the details of the discrepancy, including which income or credits are in question. Identify the tax year referenced and the specific items that triggered the notice. Next, gather all your relevant documentation such as W-2 forms, 1099s, and any other proof of income or deductions that support your original tax return. Compare these documents to the information shown on the CP2000 notice. When you find agreement between your records and the IRS data, prepare to explain and document these findings in your response. Then draft a clear, concise, and polite response letter addressing each item in the CP2000. Confirm facts where you agree with the IRS and dispute any inaccuracies by referencing your supporting documents. Attach copies of all relevant documents. Do not send originals. The IRS provides a response form with the CP2000 notice that you should complete and include with your letter. After your response package is ready, send it via certified mail with a return receipt requested to ensure it arrives, and you have proof of delivery. Keep copies of everything you send for your records. Now, if the IRS agrees with your response, they will adjust your tax account accordingly. If they disagree or have questions, they may follow up, so stay prepared to continue communication if needed. Lastly, if paying additional tax is necessary, consider your payment options or consult a tax professional for installment plans or other solutions. Addressing a CP2000 notice with calm and confidence through these steps is the key to resolving the issue smoothly and protecting your rights. Remember, responding promptly and thoroughly is the best strategy. Don't let confusion or concern delay your reply, because timely response can prevent further penalties or interest. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tips and guides.